Welcome to Charlotte Best Price Locksmith. Locked out or need security upgrades? Look no further than Charlotte Best Price Locksmith. Our fast, reliable, and professional services ensure your peace of mind. With our 24/7 availability, highly skilled technicians, and affordable rates, discover why we're Charlotte's favorite locksmith. From residential to commercial properties, we cover it all. Our experienced team handles emergency lockouts, rekeying, and installing advanced security systems. Trust us for securing your cars, homes, and businesses with state-of-the-art solutions tailored to your needs, ensuring both safety and satisfaction. Our dedication to excellence is unmatched. Let our testimonials speak volumes as clients share their experiences of top-tier service and prompt response times. We prioritize your needs, guaranteeing peace of mind and ensuring you're never left locked out in distress. Don't wait until an emergency strikes, save our contact now. Whether upgrading your security or an urgent lockout, Charlotte Best Price Locksmith is ready to assist. Call us today and experience the blend of professionalism, quality, and affordability that we promise to deliver every time.